Meaning of incendiary.
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 Incendiary. The term incendiary refers to something that is designed or capable of causing fires, explosions, or other destructive phenomena. It can also be used to describe inflammatory language or actions that are intended to cause conflict or controversy. The consequences of incendiary behavior can range from property damage and loss of life to social upheaval and political unrest. In short, incendiary can refer to anything that has the capacity to ignite and inflame, creating a volatile or dangerous situation.